Guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone had a great weekend. I'm about to drop a watch list for you for this week. I will say be careful with the market being at such a high, with the S&P 500 being at an all-time high, NASDAQ being at an all-time high. Also be careful with the news out right now with the airstrikes over in Iran. That being said, let's jump right into this week's watch list. The first one on our watch list is BIDU. So we've started to consolidate here. Just remember that a bottom takes time, and the longer a bottom takes to form, the bigger the move to the upside. Using the fibs here from the high to the low, I think we can retrace back up to the 245 range. Now we're not going to go straight up there, obviously, but I think as a swing trade, we could possibly push up to 245 in the near future. And the next target would be 264 at the 50% retracement, and then to 285. Next one on the watch list I have for you is BLNK. Trying to get out of this supply zone. If we can push out of the supply zone and above 45, I think we could run up to the $53 range on BLNK. So keep an eye out on that one. Getting some heavy volume, so we could push forward, but like I said, be careful with the market being so high. JD is the next one on our watch list. Making a big move here. We still are waiting for a crossover with the 9 and the 20. We did gap up, so look for a break above this range here. One to keep an eye on. Could push up to the $86 range. Uber is the next one. We're getting here in a supply zone. We did bridge this gap back here, so hopefully we can get above that and create new support. We're getting the 9 looking like it's going to cross over the 20. So we are not officially in an uptrend yet, so we need to wait for the 9 to officially cross over the 20. We are picking up in volume. Stochastics headed up, RSI headed up. We do have some resistance here at RSI at around 68. But it's one to watch for this week for sure. Also, some really good news coming out with Uber, and I think it can make a really good swing trade if we can get above this supply zone. APPN looking like it may come back into play here. We're starting to consolidate a little bit. We have quite a bit of resistance here as we've retested the 138 range multiple times, but if we could break past 138, I believe we can get to 160 and then up here into the 176 range. Last one I have for you is Home Depot. We're running sideways. We're technically in a downtrend right now. So here's our trend line. We are above our trend line. We are above the moving averages, but the 9 is still under the 20. So we do not want to jump into this trade. We have heavy volume Friday. That's all I have for you for this video. Hope it helps. Come back and check us out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we are giving a free pair of AirPods away at 500 subscribers.